Everybody loves cool animals, but have you ever wondered who rules the skies? Hit subscribe, like, and share if you love animal facts. Get ready for some record-breaking bird speed. Coming in at number 3, it's the gray-headed albatross. This bird can glide over waves at a mind-blowing 79 miles per hour. Imagine catching a ride on those wings. Zooming into second place, meet the frigate bird. With its super light body, it soars the skies at 95 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars in the city. And now, the champion of speed, the Peregrine Falcon. Are you ready for this? When it dives, it rockets through the air at a jaw-dropping 240 miles per hour. That's faster than a roller coaster. Birds are the real speedsters of nature. Which one blew your mind? Drop your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more animal facts. Only here on Animal Facts 100. See you next time, Sky Explorer.